Hello students, so today here in the second part we are going to learn next point of the lesson, reaching at the age of adolescence. The next point is endocrine glands and their functions. So what are the endocrine glands and what are their functions? Here you are going to learn. Endocrine glands produce chemical substances. Endocrine glands produce chemical substances. And those chemical substances are called as hormone. Those are called as hormone, which controls different functions in the body. Now, these type of hormones controls different functions in our body, and these chemical substances means these hormones which are produced in our body. Those are produced by these endocrine glands. So in our body there are different type of glands. In previous lessons also you have learned some different type of glands like liver, pancreas. So these are the different type of glands. So with those again new glands are available in our body. So for example endocrine glands. So what is the function of this? So these glands produces chemical substances, and that chemical substance is called as hormone. And this hormone controls the function of the body. So whatever the functions happens in our body, whatever the functions are there in the body, all the different type of functions can be controlled by this hormone which are secreted by the endocrine gland. Main endocrine glands are, so which are main endocrine glands? Number 1, pituitary gland. Number 2, thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pancreas, testes and ovary. Now step by step we will learn information about the gland. So what is the pituitary gland? What is the function of the pituitary gland? So this pituitary gland is the main endocrine gland, and this pituitary gland controls growth and production of hormones by testes and by ovary. Now the hormone which is produced by this pituitary gland is also called as growth hormone. Now this pituitary gland control growth, control production of hormones, and which hormones which are produced by testes and ovaries. Next gland is thyroid gland. So this thyroid gland produces thyroxine, and its deficiency causes goiter. Goiter is a one type of disease where the swelling of throat is seen. So when throat is swollen at that time, that disease is called as goiter. So this thyroid gland which produces thyroxine hormone, and the thyroxine hormone, if it is less in our body, if there is a deficiency of thyroxine hormone in the body, so that deficiency causes goiter disease. Goiter disease, swelling of the throat. Adrenal gland. So what is the function of the adrenal gland? Adrenal gland produces adrenaline. Now what type of hormone is produced by adrenal gland? So adrenal gland produces adrenaline hormone, and this adrenaline hormone helps the body to adjust to the stress when we are angry or worried. So when we are too much angry, when we are too much worried because of stress, because in our life all the persons are having different type of stress. So when they are suffering from the stress, so their body release one type of hormone that is called as adrenaline, and this adrenaline hormone is secreted by one gland, that is adrenal gland. And this adrenal gland, when secretes the hormone adrenaline, at that time that adrenaline hormone helps the body to adjust with that stress and with that worry. Because when we becomes very angry, when we are worried, at that time we suffer from a lot of stress, and the stress may cause because of different reasons. There are many reasons. Even in child also we can see somehow the child is also under stress, adult person also under stress. Many persons are there because of different issues, they are under stress. So this stress can be controlled, this stress can be adjusted with the body because of adrenaline hormone. Now pancreas. Pancreas is also one type of important endocrine gland, and this gland produces insulin, and this insulin is very helpful in the body. And if there is a deficiency, means less amount of insulin if available in the body. If there is low insulin or less insulin present in the body, that deficiency of insulin causes disease like diabetes. So diabetes, this is the name of the disease which can be caused by the deficiency of insulin. So here this insulin is produced by the pancreas. Testes. Now testes, these testes are present in the male body, and testes produces testosterone hormone, and this testosterone hormone controls production of sperms and controls secondary sexual characters in the male. So this hormone testosterone, it is produced in the testes, and this testosterone hormone controls the production of the sperm in the male body, as well as it controls the secondary sexual characteristics in the male body. Now ovary is present in the female body. So this ovary produces estrogen hormone, and this ovary, when it produces estrogen hormone, this estrogen hormone is important because this hormone controls the production of eggs and secondary sexual characters in the female. So you have learned what are the secondary sexual characters in the female in the previous part. So revise that part, and that secondary sexual characters can be controlled, as well as the production of eggs can be controlled by the estrogen hormone, and this estrogen hormone is produced by the ovary in the female. Next point is here reproductive health. So what is meant by reproductive health? And how can we maintain that reproductive health? So to keep body healthy, everyone should have, if we want to keep our body healthy, everyone should have balanced diet. Balanced diet you have learned in the class 6. What is balanced diet? The right amount of all the food component. Carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, as well as dietary fibers, fats. All these are the food component, and if they are in right amount, then that diet is called as balanced diet. Then personal hygiene means personal cleanliness, and physical exercise means when we do exercise early in the morning, we feel very fresh, we become healthy. So health is our wealth. We have to remember this for a long time. We cannot forget health is our wealth. So balanced diet, personal hygiene, and physical exercise. These are the 3 important points that we have to remember forever, because these 3 important points can keep our body healthy. So what is the balanced diet now? Balanced diet is a diet which contains nutrients in the right amount. Balanced diet should contain cereals like jowar, wheat, bajra, maize. These are the cereals. Vegetables like spinach, fenugreek, lettuce finger, then tomato, then potato. All these are the vegetables. Fruits like apple, mango, guava, then oranges. There are many types of watermelon, like these fruits. Pulses, tur dal, moong dal, all these are gram, all these are the pulses. Milk, nuts, meat, eggs, sugar, and jelly. So our diet must have all this type of food amount in the diet. Then that diet is a balanced diet. When we eat something, when we take our lunch, when we take our dinner, at that time our lunch must have cereals, vegetables, fruits, as well as pulses, then milk. Early in the morning also we drink milk. Everyone must have that habit. At least a cup of milk everyone should drink early in the morning. If it is not possible early in the morning, at night also, before sleeping you can, before going to bed you can drink that milk. Now meat, if you are vegetarian then it's okay, but if you are non-vegetarian then you can eat meat, eggs. So by which again our body will get the different type of nutrients. sugar and jelly. So already we have in our diet. So these are the important food component we should include. Now personal hygiene. So personal hygiene, everyone should have a bath at least once every day. If cleanliness of body is not done, there can be bacterial infection and diseases. So everyone must have or should have take bath at least once in a day. So that cleanliness of body is most important. And we have to maintain the cleanliness before eating something. We have to wash our hands properly with the hand soap or with the Dettol. When you come from the toilet, at that time also you have to wash your body parts, hands, legs properly. You have to maintain this cleanliness. You have to maintain your personal hygiene during the menstrual cycle. Girls should have maintain this personal hygiene, that cleanliness they should compulsory they should maintain. Boys also they have to maintain. Everyone has to keep our surrounding clean, our body clean, everything should be clean. Then there will be no bacterial infection and we will not have any type of infection or diseases. So in this way, if the cleanliness of body is not maintained properly, then the bacteria will grow and it will cause infection to our skin. Physical exercise, that is walking, playing outdoor games and exercise keeps the body healthy. So all this type of activity we can do instead of sitting in front of TV and watching all the stupid serials. We should go out, we should walk, we should play. Whatever outdoor games are there, we have to play and we have to do early. We have to do exercise early in the morning. You can do Surya Namaskar also early in the morning. So simple exercises which you must do. So these type of habits keep your body healthy and well. The next point and last point, say no to drugs. So here the heading is given, say no to drugs. Drugs are addictive. If you take them once, you feel like taking it again and again. This is the meaning of addict. So if you take drugs once, then you feel like taking it again and again. That is addiction. If they ruin health and happiness, they spoil our health, they spoil our happiness. Once health gets spoiled, automatically our happiness gets spoiled. So everything is dependent upon us. So what practices we should follow and what practices we should not follow. Now here it is given, AIDS, the dangerous disease caused by the virus HIV. HIV is the virus and this virus causes disease AIDS. AIDS spread from an infected person to healthy person by sexual contact, sharing syringes used by injecting drugs, and it is also transferred from the mother to a child through her milk. So in this way, this disease is get spread or it is get spread by these three